The ABIMIG AT torch is compatible with major welding machines and feeders. So when you're ordering your connector kit, ensure that that kit matches with the welding machine and the feeder that you're using. Also keep in mind that amperages do vary. So when you're ordering your connector kit, ensure that that kit matches with the amperage that you're currently using. So let's go over the available connector kits and what we have included in them. Here we have the Millermatic, the Hobart Tweco, the standard Lincoln, and the Lincoln 10 connectors. Each kit will come with a plug compatible with your machine and feeder. Each of these connector pins comes with a liner nut and the necessary O-rings, with the exception of the standard Lincoln connector that will include an external gas hose assembly in place of the internal gas O-rings. They will also include a 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench for installation. The Hobart Tweco, standard Lincoln, and Lincoln 10 connector kits come with a trigger lead jumper that connects externally to your torch and to the machine feeder that you're using. This ensures that the machine feeder responds when you press the trigger of your ABIMIG AT gun.
Hey, thanks for watching. Check out some of our other videos, like this one. Don't forget to share your thoughts on this video in the comments below, and subscribe if you want to be the first to see the latest from Abacore Binsel.